Welcome to Super Simple Sauté.
We make things that are super simple for busy families like us.
It's raining outside. It's nice to have a hot soup on a rainy day. Today we are going to make a cream corn and potato soup. Because we're making soup, it will be a soupé. You will need potatoes, chicken stock or broth, corn or corn kernels, a can of cream-style corn, a can of evaporated milk, a cup of cooked bacon, a small onion, carrots, and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. First, cut your vegetables into small pieces. Then chuck your corn if it's a corn on the cob. Then in a crock pot, add your diced potatoes, diced onions, corn, chicken stock or broth, bacon, and carrots. Then add your seasoning of choice. Then cook on low for 6 hours. After 6 hours, mash your potatoes with a potato masher. Ask a grown-up to help you. Add your cream-styled corn. Then add a can of evaporated milk. Then you can add more seasonings if you like. Then in a bowl, add your cornstarch and milk and mix them together. Now it's nice and boiling, so you can put your cornstarch. Then stir well. The soup is done. You can eat it with nice hot fresh bread. You can add fresh basil if you like.
Thank you for watching Super Simple Soupé. Just kidding, it's really sauté.
If you like this video,
Please subscribe
comment,
and like.
bye!